My love for tea came when I visited my friends' plantations. I loved the environment, the fresh air. Mostly I loved the plantation workers, especially the tea pickers, work so diligently and work so hard. And the same process prevails even today.
They are the artisans of our industry. The last 150 years, they've been hand-picking the tea. You see the 2 leaves and a bud here. In this bud is the greatest concentration of flavor and antioxidants. So all of that, the terrain, the aroma, this is what makes Ceylon tea Ceylon.
The tea we offer the world is grown right here. And all that value addition packaging is done here, right here, by all our people. And when we export them, that tea goes with everyone's love and care. My whole principle is integrity, quality, freshness, which I and my sons will honor to the end.